Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel, where we delve into the world of wall cabinet designs to help you make the most of your living space while adding a touch of elegance and organization. In this video, we present a curated collection of innovative and stylish wall cabinet ideas that will transform your walls into functional masterpieces, in which number one is space-saving marvels. Discover space saving wall cabinet designs that optimize every inch of your room, from sleek and slim cabinets that fit into narrow spaces to cleverly designed corner cabinets. We have got solutions for even the most compact rooms. Number two is modern minimalism. Immerse yourself in the beauty of modern minimalist wall cabinets. Explore clean lines, subtle finishes, and sleek handles that seamlessly blend with any decor style, creating a clutter free and sophisticated look. Number 3 is open shelving chic. Embrace the trend of open shelving and showcase your treasures with pride. We'll showcase stylish open wall cabinets that allow you to display your favorite books, decor, and mementos, infusing a personalized touch to your space. Number 4 is functional flair. Unleash the magic of functional wall cabinet designs that go beyond storage. Discover cabinets with built in charging stations, integrated lighting, and hidden compartments that cater to your modern lifestyle needs. Number 5 is vintage revival. Dive into the nostalgia of vintage inspired wall cabinet designs. From ornate and curvy cabinets to distressed finishes and antique hardware, will transport you back in time with these classic beauties. Number 6 is custom creations. Explore the world of custom wall cabinets that cater to your unique needs and preferences, whether it's a media center, a home office, or a craft corner. We'll showcase how tailor made cabinets elevate functionality and stylish. Throughout this video, our design experts will share valuable tips on choosing the right materials, colors, and layouts to make your wall cabinets a seamless part of your overall decor. From dye enthusiasts to interior design aficionados, our content is crafted to inspire and empower you to create wall cabinets that not only optimize storage but also elevate the aesthetics of your living space. Therefore, please don't forget to subscribe our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel and like and share this video for modern and new ideas and designs for your interior and exterior home decoration. And hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos on home decor, organization tips, and design inspiration. Let's embark on a journey of transforming your walls into functional works of art with these exceptional wall cabinet designs, because these wall cabinet designs are very important for save the storage and increase the beauty to your walls, and also color combination very important. They should be matched with each other. So again, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet you again in next video. Thank you.